send it to you. You're welcome. Bye-bye. Hey guys, we are here at Shore Drive today. We're doing a walkthrough this morning. This is for Jennifer Kowalczyk, who's one of our agents. She's out of town, so I'm here to do the walkthrough for her. So we're just gonna be looking around. All right, we're good. Oh boy, watch out, lady. In my free time, I really like to garden. I really like to vegetable garden, not like flower garden. That's what I like to do. And riding my bike. There's a fun group here in Myrtle Beach that meet out at Beach Bike Shop, and they'll do like a Taco Tuesday ride, so I really like to do that. And they probably do about 10 to 15 miles on any given night, so it's like a pretty easy social pace. It's a fun ride. A bunch of people come out. Sometimes there's like 5-10 of us, and sometimes there's like 25 of us. You just never know how many people are gonna come. So that's what I like to do.
This week Greg is out of town at sales training, and so it's been a little different around the office, but the momentum is still high because in July we have a little friendly competition going on with the agents. We told them whoever is successful at closing or putting the most buyers under contract in July is going to make it onto our billboard all by themselves. So definitely a lot of friendly competition going on.
My mother always said bloom where you're planted, but I had never seen before the heading, and she was such a smart person, she probably knew it, but anyway, it says wherever you are, God put you there for a reason. Bloom where you're planted. So anyway, and my dream is I want to go to the Grand Canyon one day. I would like to have a little cottage on the water. So it could be Myrtle's Inlet, it could be a lake in Massachusetts, it could be anywhere, but to have a studio to where I could do stained glass again. That was the last piece that I did that I really, really loved.
Very simple, but this is my dream board. I don't have a lot of dreams now because I'm here where I'm supposed to be. So the first thing, let's meet with a fish. And I plan to do a lot more fishing this later on this summer and into the fall. My last few years here before I moved to Charlotte, I didn't do much fishing, and I really, really miss that. And so I like catching big fish with a catfish right out there at the ICW behind my condo, or over here on the Cherry Grove Pier, catching great big blues and stuff like that. So.
Found a weak spot.
Expect to see you there. I just checked Stephanie there on the way. I
Yeah.
can tell on the Find My Friends. Yeah, I mean, I feel pretty good now. So here's the tip when you do the red eye. You go straight home, take a shower, and then get involved with activities. Don't let yourself sit down for very long, because when you sit down or lay down, you're done. You've got to power through your day, eat an early dinner, and bed it down at about 8 o'clock. Then you're back on schedule Saturday, the next day. You take a nap after a red eye, you're wrecked. You're gonna sleep all day and wake up at like 2 in the morning, and you're messed up. So that's my strategy. It's a great trip. You know, I missed the last day to come home, but I could have left after the first day and had enough. I mean, that's typical for these events. You're surrounded by superstar agents. When you get just as much out of talking to people that are sharing what they're doing as you get from Mike on the stage. I mean, it's really a lot of value. Yeah, it's great to be back, great to go, and great to be home though. Let's go get a listing.